Hello, Spontaneous Sportsman here. We're going to do an unboxing today, not from the main box, from the individual boxes. We have a Mavic Air 2 drone that we ordered through Adorama and is $169.95. The other places that we looked at, Amazon, B&H, they were all the same exact price with shipping. The reason we ordered through Adorama is because they included extra stuff for the same price that you would have paid elsewhere. So they have a optic care and cleaning kit. They also included a strobe anti-collision light that goes on the drone and a landing pad that you can actually set up, in addition to a memory card. So we're gonna unbox this now and see how it looks. So we'll start off with the anti-collision. You got a little charger there, and these lights you can stick to the drone. So that's what these guys look like. There's the stickers. The landing pad comes with these stakes, 3 stakes. This bright sticker and the actual case it comes in. So you actually have, this is your landing pad. Pretty nice, just goes out on its own. So this one has lens cleaning wipes, fine brush, air blower, carrying pouch, microfine lens cloth, and lens cleaning spray. So we're gonna link all the places that you can buy this. This is a Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So it's not just the drone, but it comes with all these extras, which is the 3 batteries instead of 1. The UV filters, there's 3 different ones. And also extra propellers. A charger that charges 3 batteries at once instead of just a single charger. And this little device here lets you use your battery to charge other devices. And a pouch. This opens up like an actual box. Here's the actual bag, and I guess everything is crammed inside of this. Well, except for whatever is in here. So in here you have your manuals. Looks like the extra propellers are right here, and your manuals. So here's the actual drone, the Mavic Air 2. And this is your housing that comes off. So we have it all unboxed. Show you all the stuff that comes in the actual Fly More combo. So you have your controller. I put on the 2 joysticks already. You have extra joysticks inside the bag. And this is the converter, so you can use one of your batteries to charge other things with. These are your actual neutral density filters. You got a 16, a 64, and a 256 that you put actually on the lens if it's too sunny outside. You got your 2 extra batteries. Your main battery is on the drone right now. You have a gimbal protector that goes over the drone, but you want to take it off when you're flying. Also, this drone is over the weight limit, so you want to register this drone with the FCC before you fly it. Here's your battery charger for the 3 batteries. You can charge all 3 at once. You have your clockwise and your counterclockwise extra propellers for the drone. You actually have the extra cables here. And your extra joysticks right there, and your drone, of course. So that's everything that comes inside the bag on your Fly More combo.